Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be making shrimp, crawfish, and grits. So let's get started. Chop your clean pepper. Make sure you clean your shrimp and your crawfish. I really like the live ones. We're going to use these right here. Clean them up. Now they are nicely clean. It took some time, but it was worth it. You can purchase them already clean, but it's better to do your own. It's a little bit of time. You just got to be patient and clean them real nice. Now let's get started in this video. I'm going to make it nice, short, simple, sweet, and quick. Let's go. We're going to use these seasons right here. Slow it down, take a picture, whatever you gotta do, screenshot, because it's there. Let your pan get nice and hot. Melt your butter, add some minced garlic, add your lemon pepper to your shrimp, mix it up. Put it in that nice hot pan. Make sure your pan is hot. Stir fry them just a little bit. Not too much, just a tiny bit, about 1 minute. Add those chopped red peppers, add your season, stir them for about 1 minute. And please, make sure you season to taste, okay? Put a little flour right there, make your little roux. Stir it up. Cook for 2 more minutes. Add your crawfish. Stir it up. Mix it in. Look nice, delicious. Take a spoon. Add your water and stir. Cover, simmer, and there you go. Shrimps and crawfish. Looking beautiful. The gravy is beautiful. Look at the gravy. Now here's the creamy, nice grits. Really creamy. We're going to pour it on a plate. Get it together. Pour every last bit. Nice and cheesy. Now we're going to put all the delicious shrimp, crawfish, and gravy, everything go on top. Just put it all up there. It's nice, hot, and steamy. Now, at this time, I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves. Put all the gravy on top. And that just looked beautiful. I see you guys on the next one.